Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to simply enable auto funding of your Facebook ad account from your phone without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you download and install this particular app right here, Meta Apps, from your Play Store if you are using Android phone. But if you are using iPhone, just download it from your App Store. So after a successful download and install the app, next thing you need to do is to open it on, and then it's going to load up like so. Then from this section here, you will be asked to enter your Facebook login username and your password. After you have successfully logged in into the app, it will take you to the interface like this. Now, if you have a multiple Facebook page, what you need to do is to simply click on here and select the number of page, the actual Facebook page that you want to add auto refund into the ad account. Now, for you to add auto refund to the ad account of a particular page, click on here. Then it's take you right here. Now, you still have the multiple Facebook page right here. So you can select any of the page that you want to add auto refund to. So I'm going to use this first page right here, and I'm going to simply click on payment and bills. So click on that. Then it's going to load up like so. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on auto reload is off. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to enter the amount. So I'm going to simply enter the minimum amount you can enter here is 1,500 something. So I'm going to simply put 2,000 naira. This is depends on the currency on your Facebook ad account. So I'm going to simply come to the when funding are at low or below such amounts of, let's say, I'm going to put 500 right here. Then right here, you have your MasterCard or Visa card enabled. Then right here, you can simply click on here to change your card if you don't want to use the current card. But if you are satisfied with the card, simply come down below right here and click on save. Just like so. Verify your card. Please enter the 3-digit secret code behind your card. So what you need to do is to simply enter the code right here. So Facebook is going to charge you. Once you enter the code, simply click on save right here. And with that, your auto refill fund is going to enable. And from here, you can simply top up your Facebook ad account, whether you fund or you are not funding, because you have something to fall back at. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to turn on or enable auto refunding of your Facebook ad account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.